Welcome to www.ultimateprofitmachine.com. Today's topic, how your local business can benefit from professional web design. The plight experienced by the local San Francisco Bay business community is no different from the rest of the country. With our economy in a shambles and gasoline prices going up and down like a yo-yo, it's no wonder that our local business owners are suffering. There is a light at the end of the tunnel, however. No, I'm not going to tell you that the problems with the economy will end or that gas will go below $1 per gallon. What I am going to tell you, however, could put a smile on your face and some much-needed cash flowing in your business. For years, when anyone in the country needed the services of a local company, they would grab up this behemoth of a book called the Yellow Pages and start looking. That's in the past. Today's modern customer is tech-savvy, and everyone from the 10-year-old down the block to senior citizens are cruising the Internet. In fact, there are approximately 20 million adults in the United States alone that look up local numbers and do part of their own shopping online each and every day. What does this mean to the local business community in the San Francisco Bay Area? It means that you're missing a very powerful part of a complete business solution. Most local businesses are happy to run newspaper ads, put ads in church bulletins, staple flyers to telephone poles, or use signs. By concentrating on their offline advertisement campaign, they're overlooking the most powerful advertising medium we have ever known, the Internet. Your local San Francisco Bay business may be doing okay, but what if you could expand your client base? The Internet can help you do just that. Let's face it, you need a website that will help you build your business to the success that you've always dreamed it could be. Here are just a few benefits that your business could enjoy with a web presence and a professionally designed website. Your website can be a salesperson that does not sleep, eat, or take off holidays. Sales can be made any time of the night or day. Customers can leave messages instead of calling you in the middle of the night. Expand your business to proportions that you only dreamed of by opening your products and services to a larger client base. The Internet is, after all, worldwide. Build a relationship with your current customers through a newsletter or e-zine. Alert current customers to sales events or promotions by email. As you can see, the advantages of owning your own piece of the web can be many. If you want your business to grow, build relationships with your customers and increase your bottom line. If you want to place your local San Francisco Bay business above the competition, an Internet presence and professionally designed website will do exactly that. Les Song is the owner of the Ultimate Profit Machine, a website design firm that specializes in getting San Francisco Bay Area-based local businesses on the first page of Google.com. Visit http://www.ultimateprofitmachine.com. Contact us at moresales@ultimateprofitmachine.com or by telephone 415-731-9764.